You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Honda Accord. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to be amazed by the Accord. This midsize sedan offers state-of-the-art safety and connectivity technology, a quiet, comfortable ride, elegant styling, a spacious interior, and powerful performance. It's simply perfect. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Quietly powerful, boldly beautiful, simply excellent. The Honda Accord.